So yes, it's mango time, mango time, mango time here in Jamaica. So this is a mango that I've eaten before. However, I did not know the name. I knew that it tasted like a familiar mango, but I finally got some more information about it. So my Jamaican family, what does this mango look like? Yes, if you said number 11, you got it right. It looks like number 11. However, number 11 is not this colorful. Number 11 is usually green skin or green skinned. So check this out. This is a crossbreed of number 11 and Julie mango. Yes. Yep. You see it. You see the color of Julie and the stem right there of Julie. But it looks like number 11, right? So there's the color of Julie with the rouge there, all colorful makeup, as my husband would say. Yeah, so this is a crossbreed between Julie and number 11. That's the name, crossbreed. All right, and yes, it's really nice. It tastes like Julie and it looks like number 11. Awesome. It's really beefy like Julie and nice. And the skin is actually thick like number 11. All right, so yeah, that's Julie mango. No, not Julie. That's a crossbreed between Julie and number 11. Yeah, awesome mango. Do you know this mango? Tell us in the description section if you know it and if you know the actual name for it. Thank you.